Storm Team 29 forecast.
Well, the morning did begin with some sunshine, but the clouds quickly rolled in, and thereafter we started to see a little bit of some light rain, a light wintry mix, and we've been dealing with a chilly rain throughout much of the afternoon. 35 currently at the airport, made it up to 41, but those temperatures obviously backtracking once the precip initiated and started to get going. But for the most part, temperatures even at this hour are above freezing, and the precipitation will be moving away. 34, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. We've got 34 in Madison, 35 in Orange, 33 there in Palmyra, 33 in Waynesboro, and 34 in Stanton. A winter weather advisory until 8 o'clock this evening for the Blue Ridge Mountains. Just be mindful if you're crossing the higher terrain here. And really, with the exception of the mountains, most of the surface temperatures off to the east are above freezing, even though this is a chilly rain. But you can see the activity here through Buckingham and Albemarle, Fluvanna, Louisa. Maybe on the back edge of this now, and this really is the back edge, perhaps some light snow mixing in with some of the rain. There we are from Batesville up toward Ivy. Then we get up toward Standardsville and Madison. So you may see a little bit of light snow here on the tail end of it, but for the most part, it'll be tapering off. This is a 12-hour loop, and as it began, just so we had the clear skies this morning, then the clouds quickly rolled in. This was more of an icing concern across portions of the Carolinas, and then it's just been a chilly rain throughout much of the eastern portion of the state, and that's where most of the heavier rain is set up. So temperatures tonight with gradually clearing skies will fall into the 20s, and we may not have a whole lot of wind. So with the damp ground, yeah, we're going to have icing concerns, and we could also have some fog to develop, so be mindful of that. Temperatures will settle into many of us for the middle 20s. Sunshine is back here for Tuesday, and high temperatures will range anywhere from the mid 40s to around 50. And really, after tonight, after this precip moves away, we've got a pretty quiet stretch of weather this week. Daytime highs will be in the 50s, morning lows will still be below freezing, but again, it'll feel a lot better. Area of low pressure is off the Carolina coastline. This will continue to move away, and you can see some of that heavier precipitation lifting up across the I-95 corridor headed up into the northeast and New England. But this is the system bringing us a little bit of precipitation here today, and initially at the start and at the tail end a little bit of some wintry weather. You can see some of the colder air, but these temperatures are going to start to rise here as we go through the next several days. So Futurecast shows kind of the back edge, what we're seeing now on the radar moving out this evening, and then the skies gradually clearing out. So some icy concerns in the morning will start in the 20s, and then daytime highs for Tuesday with a bit of a breeze out of the west and northwest, 45 to around 50, and then we'll start early Wednesday morning in the 20s. Wednesday afternoon, even milder with numbers in the mid, maybe even a few upper 50s. So again, any light rain or wintry mix ending, gradual clearing. Do be mindful of some fog and potentially some icing concerns here overnight with temperatures settling back into the 20s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, and this week, a little quiet stretch. Temperatures in the 50s. That'll feel really nice. And right now, looking ahead to the weekend, we may start mild but end colder, and that takes us into early next week, a week from today, Valentine's Day.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. We will be right back.